Have you ever felt bothered by someone? Today, we learn the word annoy. It's a useful word when someone makes you upset, but not too angry. Annoy means to make someone a little angry or bothered by something. It is not about big anger but small, unpleasant feelings. A common mistake is using annoy when you mean angry or hate. Annoy means a small irritation, not strong anger or dislike. You can say, be annoyed by, annoy someone with, get annoyed at, or annoy the neighbors. These are common ways to use the word. The loud music annoys me. She was annoyed by the long wait. Kids sometimes annoy their teachers. My phone annoys me with constant notifications. John's little brother kept tapping his shoulder while he was reading. It didn't make John angry, just annoyed because it distracted him a lot. Think of the tiny ant on your skin. It doesn't hurt but it's annoying because it makes you want to brush it off. That's annoy. Now you know annoy means to bother in a small way. Try to use it today and see how often it fits. Keep practicing and see you soon.